4 pounds. 11-inch beard, 1.5 spurs. That's based off of his sound. 4th day of Missouri turkey season. Feeling good about today. Came in trying to roost some last night. I saw 8, 2 gobblers with a bunch of hens, and then I found another gobbler roosting fairly close. Yeah. I haven't really tried roosting them before, but we'll see what happens. I'm hoping I can get in close, and hopefully they'll fly down right at my lap, and I'll blast them, but we'll see. Gotta get real serious today. I'm gonna face paint her up. Hopefully I can have the turkey luck. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. See you later. One of the most important parts of turkey hunting. Gotta get some pre-workout in. Gotta be chasing these turkeys like a madman. Ah! Alright guys, I found 3 of them up here, right where I think they were. Let's see if I can let off the open and get one. Right here. Holy bejesus. They're really close. I'm gonna try to set up, see if I can't get them. Good looking tree right here. There's 3 turkeys. I want to get just a little bit closer. Please, Lord, let the turkey come in. Or 2 of them, or 3 of them. I don't. Turkeys. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I don't have any turkeys here. Turkey hunting in the woods like this, it's a difficult game because there's so much brush and the terrain and all of that is just obstacles, and trying to get that bird to come into you. It's a fine balance of moving in, not too close and close enough. on me. They were headed the wrong direction. Hence why I was calling even a little too much, even when I could see them. I was just trying to get them just to come a little closer because it was so brushy. I didn't have much shot. Damn it. There's some more turkeys up behind them. Not the same ones. Holy smokes. I gotta do something different here. That one saw me. I gotta try to sneak up on them. Alright, y'all. Little update for the day. It's about 10:30, I think. Birds went quiet on me. I think I know where they went, but I sure don't want to get up there and make them fickle. Overall, probably the best day of turkey hunting I've ever had in my life. It ticks all over me, but I think I called in a group of 6. It's hard to get them on video. It was super, super brushy. Had them to about 50 yards, didn't get a shot. And then called in 2 more. Got them just on the other side of this little clear cut I was sitting by. So, I mean, they were probably less than 100 yards just on the other side of it, but I couldn't get them to come across, so I kind of tried working around them a little bit and jumped them. And then about a half hour after that, called in 2 more, had them on this little road, and then just, I guess I ran into them. I haven't turkey hunted in so long. It's just hard for me to figure out how far I wanna get away from them, and really how close they are. Sometimes they sound like they're a long ways away, but they're really not. It just depends on which way their head's turned and how aggressive they're feeling, I guess. But overall, it was a beautiful day. Best weather I've had all week, turkey hunting wise, and they lit up. I know where they're roosting now, so hopefully I can slip in there this next week and get me a couple. I work the next 3 days, so that sucks, or else I'd be out here. But definitely found something pretty special, and I'm really hoping that the birds stay on. Either way, guys, this is a wrap for today. First week of Missouri turkey season was awesome. I've had, I guess, today, not counting today, I had a good encounter yesterday. Same deal, just kind of ran into him, met him. He was coming to me, I was coming to him. I'm just trying to play the elusive hen role, and I guess I played it a little too well because he came running. So might try to dial it down a little next week. I'm gonna get in early. I know right where they're roosting at, so I'm gonna try to just coax them off the roost to trot over my way. But we'll see, guys. Either way, thank you for watching. If you don't mind, like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out, and we'll go from there. I appreciate it.